So today, the only thing that we're really going to look at is two things: accuracy and precision. Accuracy is a measure of how close a measurement comes to the actual or true value of whatever is measured. So yesterday, in the density lab that I had showed you, the actual value was 9.7. So we would have been very accurate if our density that we measured in lab was 9.7. But it wasn't. It was 4.8, so we weren't very accurate. Precision is the other word we're going to look at. Precision is the measure of how close a series of measurements are to one another. So let's use these two terms and look at a couple of targets here. We have one on the left, one in the middle, and one on the right. Well, the one on the left, we have thrown darts and it's hit the center of the target, and all of the darts are close together. So in this case, we would be accurate because we were right on the bullseye. We were on target. But we'd also be precise because all of the darts were in the same place. Now let's look at the middle one. None of the darts are on the bullseye except for maybe one, so really only one of the darts is accurate. All the other ones are not even close. As far as being precise, it's not precise either because all of the darts are not in the same area. They've been scattered, so the precision is not very good either. Now, the last target, none of the darts are accurate because we're not close to the bullseye. However, all of the darts are in the same area, so this one is precise, but it's not accurate. Let's look at a chart instead of a bullseye, and let's compare it to real data. I'm looking at densities of salt water in the Gulf of Mexico. I have 4 groups that have conducted research, and they've each done 3 trials and calculated an average. Okay. The first question that I'm going to pose is, which group is most precise? Which group has measurements that are relatively close to one another? And that answer would be Group 2. Group 2, all of their data is roughly right around 1.05. Okay. Now, the next question I would ask you is, who is the most accurate? Well, first you have to know the actual value. And let's say the actual value is, of the density is 1.021. Well, in this case, Group 4 is going to be most accurate because all of their data is close to 1.021. They may not be the most precise group, but they are the most accurate group.
Hello, welcome to another day of chemistry with me, Mr. Walkman. Today you're going to test your skills with accuracy and precision. You will be in groups of 2, no more and no less. If needed, we will have one group of 3. You will use this target to determine in your group who is the most accurate and who is the most precise. We have a tub of markers here, yeah? We are going to use these markers and not the Sharpies to use on the chemistry experiment today. You are going to take a marker. Make sure it is different from your partner. So if I use purple, your partner will use pink. You are going to hold your arm out straight, horizontal with the ground. Hold it right over the target, and you are going to drop the marker onto the target. But make sure the cap is off. After you are done, you must answer the questions that are provided with you. After you have answered the questions, turn it in to the substitute teacher and then have a seat at your desk. Thank you, students, and enjoy the target practice.